Log in to TruckMate. In this video, we will review how to log in to TruckMate. The login process may vary depending on your local setup and configuration. The TruckMate sign-on window opens after you select the desired TruckMate application. Enter your username and password. Select the database you want to use. By default, the most recent database is shown. To choose a different database, click the Select Database button to open a list of available options. Make a selection, then click OK. To log in within a multi-company environment, click the Refresh button to show a drop-down list of available options. Make a selection, then click OK. If the login process fails, an error message appears. Correct the errors, then click OK. The TruckMate application loads.